Come salute the king. You know what I say? Okeebo, you say it don't do. Next track, we'll just sing some chat. Let's just say keep on the right track. Turn up the rhythm, please, brother. Keep on the right track. Keep focused, right? Go for what you believe in. Hey, listen up, Okeebo. My people cannot stop your flow. No, 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 no. I know for a child I'm always working. So listen up. Evil spirits got to go. They say the fittest of the fittest shall survive. They chose not to jump. He's so Jah, keep my alive. They just say, hold on, hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on, hold on. My people, yeah. Hold on, hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on, hold on. They got me stuck. Do not let them intimidate you. Oh no. Your goals you got to pursue. Mama, 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 yeah. Never let them mislead you. Oh no. Keep doing what you say you should do. Hey, my people, take your hopes and dreams and make them reality. Remember you are daughters and sons of the Almighty. They just say, hold on, hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on, hold on. Hold it, my brother. Yeah. How do you feeling? Yeah, my name is Nature. I am present this time with Downstone Records, Keta Burrell, Joe Bogdanovich. You know, we are here doing the music of the Most High to elevate the people and to separate the people. And I want to take this time out to pick up my friends, my personal role models, the ants. The ants and what cry, yeah. Because guess what, no? The ants and teach I how to live in unity. If the ants piece of bread right there and the bread too big, the ants call him friend there. As I come to want to move a piece of bread there. We see we mankind, we see one piece of money over there saying, and a TV I talk about now. We see one piece of money over there saying, no, say, well, we can't move the money. We still try to move the money ourselves. Because we say, one high power, rich power, and anything, and high power, brother. You see me, I say? So they got the ants, them, and I say, they got the trees, them, because the trees, them provide oxygen, food, and clothing. You understand me, I say? So the thing said. But I'm going to sing a special one for the ladies in the house who know that they love a man for just who he is. Even work on a garbage truck, he can come home and pay and him nice again. Because I work him honest bread.